Did you know that a single spoonful of honey can provide an incredible boost to your overall health? In this video, we're uncovering 7 powerful ways the nutritional value of honey can transform your diet and enhance your well-being. Stay tuned until the end to discover the surprising benefits that honey can bring to your daily life. Honey isn't just a natural sweetener, it's packed with essential nutrients that can benefit your health in numerous ways. First, honey is rich in antioxidants, which help combat free radicals in your body. This means a lower risk of chronic diseases and a boost to your immune system. Next, honey has natural antibacterial properties, making it an excellent remedy for sore throats and minor wounds. Imagine having a natural solution right in your kitchen. Beyond its immediate health benefits, honey can also improve your digestive health. Consuming honey regularly can help balance the good bacteria in your gut, promoting better digestion and reducing issues like bloating and indigestion. Plus, honey is a great source of energy. Its natural sugars provide a quick and sustainable energy boost without the crash that comes from processed sugars. Who wouldn't want to feel more energetic throughout the day? Are you ready to make honey a staple in your diet? Start today by incorporating a spoonful into your morning tea or drizzle it over your favorite fruits. To discover more amazing health tips and recipes, subscribe to our channel and click the link in the description to access exclusive content. Don't forget to leave a comment below sharing how you use honey in your diet. Let's make health delicious together.